say, oh, like people are celebrate #1, Billboard #1. But celebrating #1 when you sold 741 copies.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
They could kick back and say, and bro, this is not something for people. Celebrate. #10, bro. This is
Let me move your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox. How the latest news them
I don't know one Media Fox penny happen. So we see Chris Genius forward out and say a bag of thing. You understand? But let me tell you people what I not like in a dancehall. People can say anything, you know, fine. People have them opinion. You see me? Yeah, and thing. But you see the hypocrite ways, the hypocrite talk. I don't like it. Me I tell you. I don't like it, people. You say if you beat one person and say certain things, do it with everybody, man. Don't do it with one person. You see it? Don't because you maybe rate that person, you not call them out. Allow them do the same thing and the same whatever situation go on. Mean so you're not gonna say, yo, this do it too. You understand? That's a woman rate. Them only call out a person because them say, alright, everybody a talk about this and I say this about this. But when other people do it, them not call. That's a way mean rate. You understand? Because everybody supposed to get the same treatment. If them do something wrong and something not go good. You see it? But people tune in and you are going.
But the reason you know it's gonna be about Alkaline's album NPT. Zin, yeah man, I say them put out the first week numbers. You get to me I say, and people from the album dropped on Sunday night, Monday, yeah? And for that week there, me I pray the numbers on Spotify, me I pray the numbers on YouTube. But then again, members say YouTube not really not really. YouTube not give them numbers to Billboard again. Or Billboard not count YouTube numbers again. You understand? So the YouTube thing, like, I don't know, said that I got hurt a lot of artists.
Remember, you know, people, him say all of that, you know. Say, yo, that I got hurt a lot of artists. Remember, him say that no YouTube streams anymore. All right, listen.
That I got hurt because guess what? And everybody have a Spotify account, especially Jamaicans. Because majority of the Jamaicans, them, bro, as a song drop, YouTube then go first. You understand? Like just makes most of the people them around. Ask them what they listen to music on YouTube because YouTube is free. No for them now.
Remember, you know, people, it must state out the disadvantage, you know. See the disadvantage.
Subscribe to no Spotify. No for them now subscribe to no Apple Music and them thing there, bro. You understand? So the very first thing them pull up a YouTube. And then remember say the artists them a drop the album them, the songs them over YouTube first. As in them a drop it everywhere one time. You get what I say? So me I pre Spotify and me I realize it, oh bro. You see the album, the songs them now stream good. And members have 1,500 streams on Spotify equates to one sale. One sale. 1,500 equals one sale, one unit. You understand? So only you go over there, go do the maths, and only realize, yo, it not really stream good. But anyways, the other day, I see World Music Views posted this, you know. And they said, sales numbers are in. Alkaline lands #10 debut with NPT on Billboard Reggae Albums chart. And also them say first dancehall album to debut on the chart in 2026. Alkaline's album first week Billboard history. New Level Unlocked debuted at #1 in 2016. Top Prize debut at #2 in 2021. And NPT debut at #10 in 2026. Zin, so I go over the website because they never give me no number, obviously. You understand? So I go over the website now, and the article reads: Dancehall star Alkaline's third studio album NPT debuts at #10 on Billboard Reggae Albums chart, dated April 4, 2026. It's the first album released in 2026 to debut on the chart, the first new dancehall release to appear this year, and positions Alkaline at the first Jamaican artist to make a chart debut in 2026. Released via Autobomb Records, NPT dropped after the tracking week was already on the way, yet still earned roughly 1,000 album equivalent units from combined streams and sales during its opening frame, spanning Monday, March 23rd through Thursday, March 26th. So like that's 3 days. You understand? That's 3 days. We're going to talk more about that. You understand about them say?
People, you know what the worst thing? That's what I'm going to tell you. Alkaline are really the dancehall me in danger, you know. Yeah, man, me I tell you why. So many album release. Even last year, I never see them pull up. Not even the article for the numbers. Nobody not check for numbers, every little thing. You notice an Alkaline drop him album. Everybody talk about it. Either them said flap the this, the Ray. But imagine, so many album drop last year. But maybe like 7. Yeah, around 7 album drop last year. Seeing? And nobody give it that attention like how them get Alkaline album. No man, this youth are great. Me I tell you. So 7 album drop last year and them not give that attention. Yeah. Well, Alkaline just drop 1. And the whole world a talk about it. Criticize it or whatsoever. It shows you that youth thing just different. It just different. It half different. Cause you can't tell me say 7 album drop and nobody no meds it. Like how they meds this one here. Something wrong there, so?
Roughly 1,000. So that means it not catch 1,000 then. You understand? And where's the breakdown? Where is the breakdown? Why would I say from equivalence from combined streams and sales? Where's the breakdown on the pure sales? Them not give you that number. They like why? And me know.
Chris Genius. And this is why I'm not like the hypocrite thing people in a dancehall. Everybody for treat fairly. Chris Genius. Warm to Vice Cartel Heart and Soul album. Whenever you're there, ask for no numbers or nothing, you know. I don't even think I see you even pull up the album. You don't even review it. You don't review it, none at all. You're there, you say you want numbers, you want this and that. Want to the rest of the album, them. You don't ask no numbers. You don't depend on the media ask no numbers. You don't ask everybody numbers, man. Oh, you not see it, oh, you not do this. Alkaline alone drop album in a dancer. That's what I tell you, bro. This is what I don't like, you know. You see the hypocrite thing, me not like it, brother. Me I tell you, if you go call out one album, you have to call out the rest, fam. You see me?
So I have the numbers. Jaja. His 2021 project Uprise opened at number 2 on the reggae albums chart with 2,957 first week units, 1,527 of which were pure album sales according to Luminate, formerly MRC data. That album stayed on the chart for 1 week while his 2016 debut New Level Unlock entered number 1 after selling 741 copies in its first week in the United States. His weakest album sales and highest charting release to date. That album charted for 18 weeks. So when you see that, bro, like, I always say this. They must say, oh, like, people are celebrate number 1, Billboard number 1. But celebrating number 1 when you sold 741 copies. But then again, number 1 and number 1. Maybe that week was a very low week in streams and sales and whatever for the other albums. Them. You get me? I say, but let's listen up. Top prize went no.
Yo, you see what I narrate? So you get number 1. I know if I feed them artists get it, you know. They wouldn't attack them way. I tell you that. So you, a man get number 1. Zine in him first week. Seeing means at that week him get 700. That means that was the number if you say alright. Number 1. Him do well if you get the number 1 in that time. Seeing? But you got discredit say yo. People are celebrating number 1. It's a number 1 album, bro. It no matter how much sales it get. The sales where it get if you get number 1, that means it do well in that week with that number. It no matter if that it sell, brother. Because we all know dancehall music don't sell. When it comes to especially albums and these things. You understand? I mean if you do a video about that, why we don't buy music. A lot of things, a lot of factors, a lot of disadvantage why especially Jamaicans don't buy music. You understand? Yeah. So do you get him number 1? What you mean? Celebration have to go on, bro. You understand? Because in that week he pulled that number and that number they put him a number 1. So it's still a celebration, bro. You can't discredit that. You understand? Yeah.
Number 2. And in the first week for top prize, they got 2,957. 2,957. And that landed at number 2. A New Level Unlock landed number 1 with 741. But then can give with the breakdown where the material say 1,527 pure album sales. But for this one, like why we can't get the pure album sales? Why we can't get the breakdown for NPT? Are too early? Alright, I go kick back and see. And bro, This is
People, here where man I go say.
something for people. Celebrate. Number 10, bro. This is nothing to celebrate. And yes, it's good to see him enter the chart, but brother, in our real life, bit like when you just meds it, bro. Number 10, first week, and guess what? You can't blame nobody.
Chris Genius. This is when the hypocrite thing start kicking people. Chris Genius, you are telling people them say, this is not something we have to celebrate. Right? Number 10 on the Billboard. Chris Genius, you notice, say last year, right? I think about 8 album release last year. You know, people. 8 album release last year, right? And you know, say only one hit the Billboard. One hit the Billboard. Cartel dropped about what? 2 last year? 2 album last year, and only one hit the Billboard. Number 10 on the chart. See? Alright. Imagine. Remember this, you know, those were album where have the YouTube stream added to it. You understand? Right? And you are gonna tell me, say no. 7 out of the 8 last year didn't make the Billboard. We are talking about Lila Ike, Jesse Royal, Ken Namdi, somebody else, one next reggae, about 4 reggae artists. And then you have Massacre EP, you have Popcorn, you understand? You have Mr. Vegas here, and you have the recent album of Cartel drop. Bro, some of those Cartel ones, Popcorn won't sell less than 500 copies, bro. 500 copies. But these are the thing, people. Yes, we did expect more with the vendor thing, but a lot of things happen. Seeing? But this is what I not rate. We can't have so many albums dropping last year when I touch the Billboard and nobody calls it out. But when a youth will hit the Billboard, them I say nobody nothing to celebrate. Nothing to celebrate. This youth will hit the Billboard, nobody nothing celebrate it. But what the one them when not hit Billboard none at all. Oh, we not for say nothing. Well, we celebrate them one day. That you try say. Because you know, remember, you know, brother, you know, pull up Cartel album or whatsoever. You know, remember, say Cartel Heart of Soul, it never hit the Billboard, you know, bro. We don't know the numbers, you know. But you never do anything and call it out or say anything. That's why I say, yo, I'm gonna rate the hypocrite thing, bro. You see it? Because if you not call out the album, you find nothing wrong. You have to call out the other rest them. You have to call out the other rest of artists them. Because at the end of the day, one dancehall or one reggae. So if you go call out this alone and don't call out the rest, all the other rest are going to try to do better to hit the Billboard. You can't call out one artist alone, fam. You have to call out every artist and them fan base say, yo, this not look good. But a one person, when him do something, he hit the Billboard. And you are tell say, don't celebrate the one who hit Billboard. But the other rest, when you hit the Billboard, oh, them fi celebrate. Alright.
Can't blame nobody but on yourself. Reason being, who drops an album on a Monday? Bro, like seriously, who drops an album on a Monday? If you did have some problem, because you never say something about barcode, never did work and this and that. If you did have problem with that, why would you never just wait until the following Thursday or Friday? Why would you never wait until the following Friday? Why would you push for Monday?
Alright, you see think about that now, people. I don't know what going, to be honest. I'm gonna like conversate something where I don't know what went down. Only the team, only the vendetta team or server know what go on. You understand? Me not sure what go on because I don't know about the album thing and certain little things. You see me? Yeah, I don't know. Last time I heard some about some Amazon thing and Ray and some mix up and this and that. We don't know. Me don't know. Basically, we're really, you see me? Because there was no, like, you know, call it certain type of statement if you say, yo, Ray. You see me? Something go down, but we don't fully know what go on. So, I can't really comment on something. You see me? Yeah, I can't really comment on that. But me I say, things could have get sorted out. Yeah. But, as I say, I can't really know. I don't really know what happened. You see it, white release pan that the day they are war, this or that array. And that's how it go. Things happen, and we just move on. You see, at the end of the day, a lot of albums never make the Billboard, but nobody never call them out. You see it, at the one where hit Billboard, yeah, at that one day.
And then the pre-sale or the pre-order link did out from, I think, the Friday before the show. You understand? So if that out the Friday before the show, why don't just stretch it? Nobody drop it no Monday, bro.
Alright, you see the pre-order sale thing, people, that never count. It never count because how that happens is that it the CDs and the stuff them have to reach in the customer them hand before them can count it and all of them thing there. You understand? And I guess that never happen. You see me? So a lot of things. I think them said this week coming. I think next week or so. I think next week them say some numbers will come up and some counting and all of them good thing there. You understand? But yeah, I mean here say, you know, the team I say yo, once if it don't reach in the hand with the pre-sale thing, with the stuff them, the CD and thing, if it not reaching at the customer hand, it can't go count. You see me? I don't know how that would have worked, but them know.
Nobody drop it no Monday because alright. Me know when I say alright, would I do this by myself and we can drop it anytime when I feel like and this and that. Bro, the game have some rules where and everything you have to try go round. Because I don't go so bam, I don't go round this now. How do you think this look? Eh? How do you think? Well, yes, me know that the second week sales might look a little bit better. But me just say, people always, like, in this day and age, is a numbers thing. You understand? Because I realize, yo, a competition I go on out here. A competition I go on out here. So, if it goes so bam, and debuted at number 10, bro. That no look good. And even last week, you know,
So wait there. Alright, Cartel dropped 2 albums last year. That's why I'm tell you say yo, I can't rate them. I can't rate them type of vlogging here, bro. Cartel dropped 2 albums last year. One never made the Billboard no numbers, and one hit the number 10 on the Billboard chart. I think them say 980 or 900, yeah, but 980 copies or something like so. See? And I never see Chris Genius forward out and say anything. Him never say anything. You understand? I guess them time the Vice Cartel never post him on him page it. But me never hear them call it. So basic. So what you say now? Alright. The 10 no good then. That means the Vice Cartel number 10 album. The 10. The Vikings and everything. That no do well then. That no do good then. That you try saying, okay, if Alkaline drop a number 10. Seeing? I remember say this without the YouTube streams. And Cartel drop a number 10. That means the two of them no do good then. That you try say. Yeah, man. Cause you have to call out the other rest of people, them, you know, bro. Especially the one them when I hit the Billboard, you know. You see? And them, they have the YouTube stream added on to them. So imagine if them not have it now. Because this album is the first test run. But I guess when the reality hit, you're not going to realize what go on. You see it? Wait till the rest of the album them drop.
He's with the Virgin Guns, you know, which was on the 25th. But not really realize the 25th at the time. You understand? And the 25th of March, you know, say, would be the 10-year anniversary of New Level Unlock, right? Because it was released March 25th, 2016. So I reason with the dog, I say, yo, you know, say, Alkaline have a perfect opportunity now. The man have the perfect opportunity now for, like, just do something where you know normally do. Come out and comfort zone. Zine, which is go up on live, either on TikTok, either on Instagram, whichever platform you use most, whichever platform. Go up on live, even spend half an hour to an hour. And the anniversary of New Level Unlock, go up on live and urge the fans. Like, just tell the fans them, say, yo, listen to me. New album out, NPT. Alright, what you can do for me? Go buy the album. If you celebrate New Level Unlock, go buy the new album. Bro, sometimes people need to hear these things. And the best person to hear these things from is the man himself, the artist. You just meant it, no, bro? Bro, you can't solely just depend upon the fans, them, bro. You cannot solely depend on the fans and the people when you come out here and they say, yo, this and that. The people them rather hear from the artist. Bro, perfect example. This side. You don't notice every time I forward over here, so I have to tell them, maybe I have to remind them, say, yo, when you click the like button. People need these reminders sometimes. Like every single video we have to forward over here and say, yo, remember to like the video. Because you have...
But wait there, Christina, so how much of them like your video though? How much of them subscribe? That more, you know. Because you have about 400,000 subscribers right now, but you're not getting the views with the subscriber. You see me? You see it? So, if Alkaline forward out and say this, people now must go buy it. Because I have to look on certain things, you know, bro. You see me? Alkaline have some fans where, yo, they might go to them way and certain things. And you have fans where just know say, alright, when Alka show pop up, they might go reach there. You see it? Because we see it with the other artists, them. You see me? And a lot of things go on with the album, yeah. You see me? A lot of things go on. But, you know, next time, sometimes something have to really happen and if you kind of fix certain things. You see it? But at the end of the day, is a good album. Same way. You see me? Wanna see where it a go on. Right now, other album I make everybody a talk about album right now because how much album drop last year, nobody not talk about no album. You understand? Yeah, that me until the one time man them they talk about the album. And this year with the Grammy thing. But when the album them drop last year, I never hear nobody talk about album. And when Alkaline drop albums start be relevant. It's so funny still.
People are return over here saying, bro, and I know them not subscribe to the channel because how the algorithms stay. Bro, the amount of people I watch on social media, and people them say, bro, look and check and see if you subscribe when you tell them things. Even the show where they go on Saturday night at the Barclays. Remember, bro, the man pull out. Let me see. I don't know the numbers, but them I say, yo, are between 13 to 15,000. I don't know the concrete numbers. But if you have that the amount of people, bro, in a one blood club or space, and you don't use the opportunity there, come on. You tell me, say, you could do at least 3,000 to 4,000. Oh, that is, say for example, say for example, 13,000 people. You tell me, say, the team could go to BAM and try to get at least 4,000 people to buy the album on that night. Even though when I go to BAM, I want to push it back because of some barcode. I don't know.
Brother, you know what to me, people, what I feel happen? Because I think one of the time you said the app supposed to drop first before the album. You see me? And then when I see the album drop after. You see me? But I just feel like say something went down and you see me, the team say, yo, I'm just ready. You see me? I just my opinion that still. No mean it's true. You see me? Yeah. But a lot of things go on and I saw it go. We have to just take the L. But we have to move on and then the next time forward, we just make things work. You understand? I just one of them things there. But the hypocrite thing, we me narrate, if you know say, yo, the album hit the Billboard same way and them mania never did a call out them album there. You understand? Nobody never see them. But that one you know where hit the Billboard, it a cause a problem. Me no know. But the one them when I hit the Billboard, it never did a cause a problem. Jaja. Imagine. 8 album drop last year and I just one hit the Billboard last year. Jaja. And you know getting a talk about Alkaline does forward and say, It's true you say although them 8 Alkaline, to me, them 8 till them rate. Because yo, me no know. If you really hate somebody, you're not even too really meds them. If you see them fall off, you're not even meds them. Like, yo, the man use one album, brother, and just from the show to the album, everybody attack, everybody has said this, everybody had the numbers. It'll be same like him show everybody know about arena and ticket and all of them look at something there. Now, everybody look at album and yo, everybody yo, I think for a long while this is one of the first album me see. Everybody listen and I review. Trust me, people. I tell you that. He was relevant for that. Relevant in a dancer. Like, irrelevant to dancer. I feel like the moment when Alkaline bust, I feel like him bust for a reason in a dancer. Because, yo, imagine if the youth in a dancer right now. All of them suck me and them energy and them, you know, the people them gonna rate him wouldn't really get no clout and all of them something there. You see it? But I one of them think that dancer me in danger. You see it?
Eh? Come on, brother. You guys had a perfect. I don't know if nobody are gonna have them opportunity. Yeah. I don't know if nobody, no other artist are gonna have the opportunity where I gonna get the opportunity there where Alkaline get when him album on drop, bro. The man have Barclays. And then the man have the 10-year anniversary for New Level and that, brother. And then remember when I tell the Guns say alright, somebody forward because our Guns live me did pass through. And somebody forward in the comment section and say, yo, the artist no need to do that. The artist good, the artist, I don't know, the artist are coming like some other artists, this and that. You see it? You see, sometimes, bro, you see, uno fans, uno are the downfall of the artist, them. Uno look fan because I can't talk about, yo, no, the artist, this and the artist, that, the artist are recluse and on a theme style life, you go live and, bro, you see, uno fans are the problem.
But Chris Genius, the reason why the people them talk so brother, uno na call out the other artists them. Uno call out one artist, and that's the problem, you know. The people them now say uno a call out the other artists where them now do good for them album. So when your father na call out this year album alone, people them say, yo brother, you're a hypocrite, bro. You see me? Yeah, so them can't say anything them want because you know call out the rest of the artists them when them drop them album and nobody not talk about it and we can't get the numbers. You see me? Yeah, brother.
Uno fans are the problem. I see when the artists and the team freak up, bro, uno need to forward out and call them out. That's all me I say. Uno need to call them out so they can do better, bro. Only need because I can't have ask. Me know
Yo, just make sure say when Cartel album drop or Massacre album drop, you call him out, you know. That me I tell you no call. Anyway, you no call him out. A trouble. Me I tell you that.
the other fan base them, bro. The other fan base them having a field day over this, bro. Having a field day over this. So how that look? How that look? Remember, Alkaline dropped the first album. So Alkaline should have set a standard, bro, where hard to beat. And Alkaline had the perfect opportunity. Which me not think none of them are artists here are gonna have the opportunity there. I can tell you that.
But what you talk about, bro? What you mean by opportunity, brother? If you go use the arena and say you're real, bro, since Vice Cartel found out, Vice Cartel do much arena, maybe over what? Maybe over 15 or less than 20 arena or so already, brother. I'm high time peak right now when nobody enough people never see him. And the man drop album, brother. Where really do? Him get the same thing him do the same thing what Alkaline do as well. Seeing the same arena and him a drop album. Him not do nothing, brother. The same heart and soul, him a do arena, all of them little thing there. The same Vikings will drop number 10 like Alkaline one. Him been a do arena, brother. Wait do. That's why me I tell you say yo, we not only a call out one person, we not call out the rest. The same thing with Cartel, brother. We not see you call him out for that. You understand?
Me can tell you that. And me, as me say, me no want to no come talk about 3 days. Nobody never put no gun to your head and say, yo, you have to release an album on a Monday. Bro, nobody don't release an album on Monday. I want to know, man, nobody don't, unless you don't have pre-competition, but, because every day, I'm a day in the space, so me here, me see what I go on. I compete and I compete. I compete and I compete, bro. So yes, you guys do care about the numbers. You guys do care about the numbers. And it don't matter which and which country that charting. I remember say Billboard only deal with the US. US streams, US sales. And remember, Alkaline was in the Barclays Center, which is in the US. So all of them people are like, come on, bro, you had the perfect opportunity and you dropped the ball.
Brother, the same thing in Vice Cartel, brother. Same thing in Vice Cartel. You see, if you want things to do better, people to do better, you have to call out everybody. You can't just call out one person, bro. You have to call out everybody and say, yo, this can't go so and all of them look at things, brother. You fall out and I call out one person now. Even the same person will make the Billboard. That's the person where you call out. You not call out the other artists them wanna make it. It not make no sense, dog. You see me? Them should not call out more than this. You see it? Because them never make it. And them have the YouTube streams. You just say, oh, the YouTube streams and depend the thing again, so. I don't know what you try to say, brother.
You dropped the ball, bro. And you see, even them same people that come say, yo, the artist no need to do this and the artist no need to do that. Brother, I can bet on say. Them said people there, I'll know them not buy a copy. I'll know them not support. I'll know they not spend $9.99. Them same people that will get up on the chat. Them not support none of the artists, them, bro. And it's very, very sad. Only get up every day with the loudest mouth. Only get up every day in everybody comment section. And only not support the artists, them. Only not support. Like, bro, if we go so bam, I made the whole out the way I yap on a daily basis. Then everybody comment section about SYM. And say you hear the artist one. Just by critiquing someone where they in the space, remember music we talk about. Remember say
but you're not critique everybody. A one person will say you critique. You're not critique the other artists when them drop them album. And it not reach Billboard. So, hypocrisy I play right now.
music we talk about. So yes, the artists them all get talked about. The artists them all get talked about. Uno see them on living in the comment section them everywhere on everybody platform. On everybody platform, the whole of Uno. Like, why Uno no go so bam and spending no money? Spend $10 man. You know, $10. Come on, bro.
Brother, you have to understand right now. You have to understand, so right now the Jamaican thing, certain things we can't. The people who live in Jamaica, them can't really use them card and get certain access based on the location with them there. You understand? I saw them thing they go, brother. A lot of these things where it's hard for especially Jamaicans to really support. You see me? Them not really, and not everybody that have links are foreign, have sometimes people and people fall out. So I don't even look on these things as well, brother. You see me? Sometimes enough people now know address and all them things to really support the music. You see me? It's more easier overseas if you did it and rain at the US, but Jamaica, certain things easy for sorted out. You see me?
And in a full country, minimum wage are more than that. Come on, $10 down kill. And the next thing I'm saying do wrong because as I say, I was up Sunday night when the album rolled out. When I found over YouTube, bro, every single song up on YouTube. Remember, YouTube is basically a free platform. And member say Billboard, them they don't put it out, say yo, them now count the YouTube streams again towards Billboard. Yeah, Billboard now work with YouTube again. Or YouTube now provide them numbers, whatever, however you want to take it. However I go. Them roll out the album on YouTube. So when the people see it on YouTube now, what do you think them gonna do? You think them gonna go over Spotify go stream it? Eh? You think?
Brother, what are you just say a while ago say the people them now on a Spotify account and on iTunes. You understand? So what you mean? Like you feel like say if them not drop it on YouTube, yeah, although YouTube now get the stream, but how the people might get access to the song? Like without I know you have some people them don't know about certain things, so how them gonna get for listening? YouTube are the easiest access in a Jamaica if we go listen certain things, music and all them things there. Alright, tell one artist to do it and see what happen. How the people are gonna listen it? You think everybody will go up on Spotify and iTunes? Eh? And that's how it work, brother. A lot of people don't even know about them something. Yeah. You see it. So you have to look on them things there, brother. You see, me understand say yeah, the YouTube stream. We have to remember say brother and everybody know about them something about Spotify and them thing there. You see it.
Them go so bam and go on iTunes and buy it, purchase it? No, brother. No. What me think they should do? And for the artists them where I plan for release album after this, what me think they need to do is make YouTube like drop this in them on YouTube last. And whatever I not drop on YouTube, just make it be videos.
Brother, I'm madness here I tell the people them, bro. Madness here I tell the people them. Cause you know you realize what you are trying to say. You are telling man them say yo drop that last. How them are gonna know how certain people get access to the album to listen to it. If them not have an account. Enough people wanna know about these things. People most of the people in Jamaica YouTube them know. I eat them depend daily. How them are gonna know on Spotify or whatsoever, brother? Eh? I don't understand this. How them are get access to the music them when them not have an account? Eh? And you find understand, say, brother, and everybody in Jamaica have a card, you know. Certain people skeptic about card, you know, brother. They not trust certain things with them card, bro. You see me? And that's one of the reasons to because some Jamaicans them look at me saying support artists. Yo, can't go on them rich already. So Jamaicans still. You see me? Them know say you make money. Them not taking up with that $10, $1, they not do it. I tell you that. Them not do it. You see it? So some of these things, boy, you need to look into if yeah man, make one artist go do that. Yeah man, don't drop the song them on YouTube till last. Yeah man, I make you go around and say if you get nothing. And that me I tell you, you can't stay there. Is it?
You see the audio them on stop releasing the audios them upon YouTube. Stop releasing the audios them on YouTube. Where on for release on YouTube, bro, are the music videos them. See if you go to Bama, you drop an EP, you drop an album, you drop whatever project, bro. Release it on the platform them where you know say it can benefit you towards Billboard because the Billboard are the standard, I guess. Everybody when they drop them project, a Billboard they want to reach man. Billboard they want to reach man. So guess what? Make YouTube be the last resort. So when you don't drop on a single, when you don't drop on an audio them, release them over Spotify or wherever YouTube will collect the streams from. You understand? Apple Music, you get me? iTunes, the whole of them thing, they release them there. So maybe a few weeks after, maybe a month after, want to go YouTube with it. Or just don't post none of the audio them on YouTube.
If them wait till 1 month after, if you drop it on YouTube, ha boy, just know so them good as all. No see Billboard for your first week. It can be a madness you talk, brother. Me I tell you that. Yeah? You're sick in your head, brother. Enough people there in Jamaica right now, they don't know nothing about iTunes and Spotify. But they know about YouTube, because they watching video and all them look at something there. So you can go and stay there, dog. Me I tell you that.
When you don't do the music video, them now want to drop that on YouTube, so you know say, boom, YouTube, like, you can give because visuals, a visual era we live in. If people don't want music video too. So, the music video, they help, like, basically sell the song, them, you know, because guess what now, when they go on YouTube and watch the video, that I will tell them, say, oh, you want me to go over iTunes, go buy the song, or me I go over Spotify, go stream it, add to my playlist, Apple Music, add to my playlist, or whatever, and start streaming, that's up. I feel like the artists, them need to start that strategy there. Because, them are people, bro, they love... People love too much freeness, bro. And then again, bro, go back to the show. I realize the big screen run about, they have a barcode on it. Me don't know, but me don't remember if I heard Alkaline, like, taking maybe a minute or two to tell the people about the album and say, yo, people don't scan the barcode around this so and whatever, me have merch and this and that. Me don't know if he need to take the time out to actually promote the album, you know. If he did, people don't use the comment section and tell me if he did. But I never heard him, like, taking the time out to say, yo, the album will come out and on the need to do this, on the need to do that. Bro, come on. You see, promotion, bro. Promotion can't too much. And you as an artist, you know, if you think say you're bigger than promoting your own project, where I go benefit you, in our benefit we the listeners, you know? In our benefit we the listeners. Remember that, remember good, remember say you are the artist, are your pocket it up with bread, you know? So that's just my little.
But because Genius, you have a member in a brother people, I'm buy the thing, remember say the thing I hit some charts all over the world, you know, bro. UK, you understand, Canada and USA, you know. Member in a brother, people are buy it. You see me? When I really know what going with the album and the Billboard thing, or whatever with the team and every little thing. You see me? I don't know. As me says, my opinion, I feel like say something go wrong and the team just say, yo, it gone bad already and the matters, Ray, cause years now the fans in my wait. You understand? I was done say this already and Ray and that's my opinion. You see it?
Who sends on this, bro, because it don't look good. You understand? And I just hope and pray that the second week, which is now within the second week, there's a hope and pray them do better in the second week, bro. You understand? Because, bro, I'm musical love. I'm musical love. I don't want to see no artists feel, bro. We don't want to see no artists. Yes, we have to deal with them harsh sometimes, but we don't know how the thing already. You can't do pretty up and baby up some artists, bro. And that's just the reality. Alkaline drop him album, and let me tell you this, he has some songs for me when I rate. You understand? It's not the best body of work, but he has some songs for me we can listen. You go make it for yourself and you can figure out which song you like. You get me? I say, it is not a perfect body of work. In previous two albums, New Level and nothing, I don't think it more can
Brother, you see uno now, you see way how uno look pan music and albums. Uno, you see what uno used to and there's a changes. Yeah, uno go say what uno want to say. But other people out there listen to the album. There is nothing in life where I go be like when something just start. Seem like a movie. Part 2 of the movie, it now go be like part 1. Never will be. You understand? It can be only better or not. But there's no movie where part 2 I go better than the part 1, the original, the first start, everything. So when you say, yo, this and you now get back a new level and like, bro, this is a different album, changes, different story. You understand? I feel like say uno no want listen. You see, because uno in a dancehall space and uno in a some different type of music listening, that no problem, dog. When things and time and everything are changed. Because uno live in a little box, bro, and little thing. But you know, the world out there different, brother. And people out there listen to Alkaline album and say, yo, this stuff. So uno not understand where I go on. You see it? Because some song and something when I see uno hype up, man. I have to shame my head, brother. You see it? Because we see say them not really go too far. You see it?
In my career, drop another album we can compare to that. Top Prize was a better project than this. But this I want to have some songs for me, as me I tell you, we can listen, when I rate with it on my playlist right now. You understand? And as me say, I always ask you which song I want to favorite. Use the comment section.
Yeah, man, people big up on yourself, you know. I don't know, one media facts pan it up, you know. Yeah, man, you know what things said. That is it.